We have this installed on a 2008 Yamaha R6, but any bike with a rear passenger peg, it should fit on. What we're using is the Ram Tough Claw. It has the Type C ball on it, so it's the bigger ball than normal, so it grips a lot better. It has the 22-inch rod. These ends here are glued together. Mine actually came apart. I had to re-glue them, and I put some electrical tape on just to keep them together. On this end also. And then at the clamps, it's slotted on the inside. As you can see inside there, the rod is slotted and the clamp is too, so it holds on there. So it doesn't come off so easily. And then I have the invisible stick clamped in there and also taped on just for extra protection. I also have some heavy duty tie straps strapped to the subframe here. Keeps it from bouncing as much and also keeps it from falling down too far when you're going too fast or it's too bumpy. And obviously this will extend up as far as your stick will allow you. Now we'll go test it out. Okay, you want to bring your videos in. Click on free capture. Go to wherever you want to edit at in the video. Grab the screen and turn it whichever direction you want. The direction lock works good to keep it in the right place. And you want to make a keyframe on your start. Put in whatever ratio you want. Play forward a little bit. You can stop it again. Make another keyframe. Turn it whatever direction you want, whatever zoom you want. You can even change the aspect ratio in each keyframe as well. The closer the keyframes are, the faster the turn will be. The further apart the keyframes are, the slower the turn will be. Just a quick edit, show you what it looks like. And as you can see, the stick is bouncing a little bit, but it's pretty smooth with the 360 camera stabilization. Okay, another thing to note, on your camera, you want it to be straight with the stick for the stitch line, so the stick will be invisible, because if you have the camera angled up or down, you're gonna end up seeing the stick. And this is what it looks like extended. That's as far out as I go on this video. And it's kind of angled into the bike. So when you're going in corners, the camera and hang over in the other lane, gonna potentially be hit by another car. Go out, have fun, and make some awesome videos.